The police in Greater Noida in Uttar Pradesh have detained 4 people in connection with the murder of BJP leader Vijay Pandit. The suspects are being questioned right now. The police believe personal rivalry could have been the motive behind the murder. A local criminal gang is suspected to be involved. Pandit had received several threats from this gang in the past because he had refused to pay up the hafta. Vijay Pandit was shot dead outside his house last night by 4 men on motorcycles. Soon after the murder, Pandit's supporters resorted to violence, setting fire to vehicles parked nearby and stoning other passing vehicles.
क्योंकि चुनाव पीरियड का दौर चल रहा था, उसमें क्या नाम है गुंडा एलिमेंट की धमकियां मिल रही थी भाई को। उन्होंने लिखित में भी और मौखिक में थाने में बराबर इतला उन्हें जानकारी दी। उन्होंने उस पर कोई भी कार्रवाई नहीं करी और कार्रवाई न करने से गुंडा एलिमेंट के हौसले और बढ़ गए और उन्होंने अपने काम को अंजाम दे दिया। सीबीआई से डिमांड करेंगे, उसी से ही सारा क्या नाम है ये एकदम निकल के आएगा कि इसमें किसका हाथ है।
इस तरह के रोज हर सप्ताह ऐसे मामले हो रहे हैं, प्रतिदिन ऐसे मामले हो रहे हैं। इससे पहले सराफा बाजार, इससे पहले दनकौर के अंदर था, इससे पहले नोएडा के अट्टा बाजार के अंदर हत्याएं। एनसीआर क्षेत्र में अगर ये हो रहा है, पुलिस प्रशासन शासन देश के राजधानी के क्षेत्र के अंदर अगर ऐसा हो रहा है, प्रदेश के अंदर कहां आग जल रही होगी? क्या इफेक्टिव कार्रवाई आज तक करी? कहते हैं यहाँ का सीओ बड़ा इफेक्टिव सीओ हमने भेज रखा था। बताएं वो सिवा रंगदारी या सिवा ठेली वालों से पैसा वसूलने के लिए आज तक उसने किसी एक गुंडे के खिलाफ कार्रवाई की हो तो बताएं जरा। जो अनुज चौधरी जो यहाँ के सीओ जिनके खिलाफ आवाज उठ रही है कि किसी एक अधिकारी और उससे बात नहीं बनेगी। ये पूरे प्रदेश शासन को ये जिम्मेदारी लेनी होगी, प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री को ये जिम्मेदारी लेनी होगी।
उत्तर प्रदेश में कानून व्यवस्था पूरी तरह से ध्वस्त हो चुकी है, चौपट हो चुकी है और उत्तर प्रदेश की सरकार जिस तरह से उस पर रिस्पांस कर रही है वो बहुत कैजुअल रिस्पांस है। अफसोस की बात है कि एक के बाद एक घटनाएं उत्तर प्रदेश में इस तरह की दिखाई पड़ रही हैं, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार न समझने को तैयार है और न किसी तरह की कार्रवाई करने को तैयार है।
Tension in the air here at Dadri in Greater Noida as a local BJP leader Vijay Pandit was shot dead by unidentified assailants yesterday right in the middle of this road here at Dadri. And following that there was also some violence as BJP supporters. That's what locals here are telling us, that there were supporters of Vijay Pandit who actually took to the streets and tried to burn some vehicles and cause disruption in this area. You can see there are those trucks which are lying in this area. The police has actually maintained these vehicles over there because they are case property right now. But these are the burned down vehicles which had in fact been attacked by some people who tried to protest against this sudden murder which took place on the streets of Greater Noida. Today in the morning you can see the situation is equally as serious and sensitive as it had been last night. Probably a marginal difference, a marginal improvement. Police are still out on the ground and there is the PSC as well as RAF which has been deployed in this area in order to maintain peace and to make sure that what happened last night is not repeated again as far as disruption is concerned. In the murder case, the police have managed to detain 4 people. They are still suspects. That's what the police are telling us. They are questioning them in order to find out if any leads come out from that. No motive or no clear reason has been given out as to why Mr. Pandit could have been attacked. What we are hearing is that it could have been a case of personal rivalry between him and another a gang, a local criminal gang in this area, but that's also not clear yet because the police have not given out any official reason so far. But they are trying to maintain security in this area. Section 144 has also been imposed. This entire market has been shut down for today and for the entire day traffic and even pedestrians movement in this area is going to be controlled by the police.